everybody, and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today we start putting the Mitsubishi Cyborg back together. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so this is actually the first episode of the Mitsubishi Cyborg build. And I've already done some things to the car because I needed to, and I didn't film it. So I'll show you. So first thing we did was we just put a fresh coat of paint here on the engine compartment. And this is all just like out of a can. So it turned out pretty good considering right now I only just have my little propane heater that is heating the garage. So I'm pretty happy with how all that turned out. Today's project is going to be to install, sorry about the mess in here, install the whole brake booster, brake lines, fuel lines, all the way to the rear of the car assembly, which as you can see is still in one piece from when they took the car apart like 7 years ago. So put that in, and then I'm going to get the subframe up in position, and if I have enough hardware, probably start hanging shocks and like the shocks and stuff. So that's what's going to happen today. Nothing super exciting, but I'm going to go until I run out of hardware, basically. So Alright, so here is where we stand so far. We have the brake booster, master cylinder, all the brake lines, all the fuel lines, the clutch master, the line for the slave, the subframe, and then front shocks on both sides, and the rear shocks, which you probably can't see very well. Still have a lot of, still waiting on bushings to come in so that we can finish mounting the rear drive line. And I'm still missing a lot of hardware. Also got the steering column in and started unraveling the wiring harness, which was in a giant plastic bag in the back of the car. So, and then kind of stitched together parts of the HVAC system, which I have. So we're almost to the point now where we're going to go to the storage and get more parts. I have a replacement fuel line coming in for this fitting on the fuel tank. So once I have that fuel line, we can mount the fuel tank in the car, and we have new hoses for all this stuff to put on. So that will go in fairly easily. So not bad progress for the first night working on the Cyborg here, and just gonna keep throwing parts in it as fast as I can because I need this space. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna try to get this thing put together and on the road fairly quick. Kind of doing this all from just knowing cars and how things go together. So we'll have to go back and I'm still missing a bunch of bolts for the front subframe, even though it's mounted in the car. So when we get the rest of the bolts, we've got to tighten up the subframe and torque all that stuff. So we're just kind of assembling everything, and then we're going to go back through and make sure that everything's tight and secure like it's supposed to be. So still a lot of parts to go into this car, a lot of trips to the storage to bring all the parts back. That's all the time I have for tonight. Until next time, get out there and work on something.